Okay, now I am just moving to the third thing, how to generate multiple certificate with Excel data files using LaTeX or Google plugin, AutoCAD or Python script. So today I will not cover Python script. I will just tell you how to create multiple certificates by a single click and save it in the Google Drive. Okay, for that I have to create a dummy Excel sheet. So let me just go to Google Sheets. Okay, so it is loading. Yeah, so Google Sheet, I will just it in the blank screen and just I wrote here name and institute. Okay, and I just enter Rajesh Ashwani. I'm just entering and creating some dummy file. Okay, Bharti, and similarly I'm just I'm just putting any institute here. Okay, so here by this I have created this Google Sheet and I am renaming it to dummy auto. Okay, now I want to create different certificates. Okay, so since I am just dealing with three names, I am just giving you the simplest example. But whenever you are organizing any conference or you are organizing any webinars, so there are 1,000+ registrations. So even 100+ registration to make the certificate for every person, it is very difficult manually. So we can use some automatic tools. Right now I'm just using this AutoCAD plugin in the Google Sheet. So this is the data as I discussed earlier. Like let us say I have this data. I have data of 10 students and okay, like this. So this is repeated, just a dummy version here. So I click here add-ons and I can see AutoCAD here. Okay, so how to add add-ons in the Google files? So you can just go to Google Slides and you can download it. And also what you can do here, when you click add-ons, you can see there is a button called get add-ons and you hit that button. So let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so you can search for AutoCAD. So this is here, in the second thing is here. So you can see this is already installed. Okay, but when you try to install it from the scratch, it will again ask permissions. It will ask certain permissions, like it wants to send, like it wants to access your file manager, it wants to access your Google Sheet data, slides, it wants to access your email data. So in order to use this application, you have to give access, and the access is legitimate because the Google AutoCAD plugin, again it is a third party AutoCAD, it will ask you, it will send email as you. So to do that you have to give some permission. So when you install this AutoCAD, just hit launch button. Okay, so script does need permission to run. Okay, I am giving the permission and it is asking me for the permission. So you can see, edit, create, delete all your Google Drive file, view your Google Drive apps, view and manage your Google Slides, view and manage your Google Docs document. Basically, it is asking for all the permissions, and in order to use this, I have to trust this app and hit allow. So I have allowed this app. Okay, now the application is open. Yeah, so there are no jobs, so let me create a job, new job. Now it is generating new job, so you can just share any name, auto, and click next. Now it is asking for the template, and it is asking for some dummy template, certificate template in which you want to add these data. So right now I have two templates, so I will just select any of the template. Let us say I use this. This is the Google Sheet dummy file. Now you can see I have created this tag name. How to create a tag? Uh, just delete it. Okay. Now what you can do, you can go to insert text box and create a text box here, and you can just write something. Okay. Okay, you can just write something like this. Yeah, so the tag is created. Okay, now we have this Google slide certificate. Now it is automatically saved. Just let me recheck whether it is saved. Yeah, so this is saved. Now what I will do, I have selected this template from the Google slide. I will just hit the next button. Okay, now how to uh, integrate this template to the Excel data? That is the real job here. So I used some template from the Google Slides, this template. Okay, so I have created already this name tag. Then what I did, I hit the next button. Then I have to select the sheet. Okay, this sheet, if that is not already selected, you have to select it, and it will link your Google template to this Google Sheet. How? You have to click this arrow button. Now you can say there are different things appearing. Name, institute. So you want to link the name. You click name, and you want to click this name here, the name on the certificate here, to the name column here. So which columns do you want to map it? So I want to map it with name. Okay, so then I hit next button. So how you want to save the file? Okay, by which file name? So I want to save the file by using its name. Okay, so it will automatically save the file using the name of the particular fella. So what type of file you want to save? I want to save it as a PDF. And there are again two options: multiple output mode or single output mode. Multiple output mode means it will create a multiple PDF file, and if I choose single output mode, it will create a single PDF file, and it can also send automatically to the email addresses of the participant. For this, you must have this email column here so that it can couple this Google Sheet with the Google Slides. But right now I am not using this option. I am using this multiple output mode, classic mode, and I hit next button. Okay, so where you want to share the file? I want to share it in some Google Drive. So I hit connect to Drive. It will open my Drive. So I want to save it in, let us say, yeah, so I want to save it in some untitled folder. Okay, so I selected this and I hit select. Now I will hit next button. So there is a optional property here, add dynamic folder reference, so I'm just ignoring that. Set merge condition, again optional. Share docs and send email, no, I don't want to share docs and send email. I will just write this. Add remove job triggers, so no, I am not adding or removing job triggers, so we are not using that. I just want to uh, create a certificate from the existing data. Okay, so I'm not using that every time the form there is a new response it will trigger automatically. There are some other options as well, you can try this. So right now I'm just using uh, the no options here. Now again save. So I have saved all the settings. Now the job is created, so you can see the job, you can edit the job, or you can run the job. So I just hit the run button here. So it is taking some time. So when I hit run button, you can see there is something merge doc id auto created, and for first entry it is creating software, sorry, it is creating the file, the PDF file. So you can see 1 of 10 document merged, so it is automatically creating the certificates. Now I will go to my Google Drive. Okay, the job is created, documentally successfully created. So for 10 different uh, name, the PDF file is generated. So I can just click here. So Google, the AutoCred plugin has already created this certificate with the name Ashwini. Okay, and it has created automatically for all the different names, and it is saved in this untitled folder. Okay, you can see there are 10 entries here, and the main thing is it is saved by the name of that particular participant, so that will be much easier to locate this particular participant certificate. Okay, so this is how we use Google AutoCred plugin. Okay, uh, yeah, so if you have any question in that, you can ask.